Debbie requested some paperclip kitty earrings, so I'm going to do that now. We're just going to take the paperclip and open it up with the pliers. We just use the flat pliers and very slowly pinch it so it opens up and doesn't get too kinked. So we're just going to open it all the way up. And then I'm going to get my round pliers and just bring this one around here to form the chin. You can compare it to one that you've made if you've already made one. And then we have to bend this for one ear. So we're going to bend this down on a sharp angle with the needle nose pliers. And I'm going to get my round nose pliers to do a loop just around here. Do a little loop. And then the needle nose pliers again. Bend it straight down to make the other ear. So we have the face, and then get our round pliers again and bring it around here. And then we're just going to, at the center, just take this and bend it straight down. That one's on a bit of an angle, and then we're going to get the round pliers again and bring that one around. And then we'll just compare it to see if they're about the same height. You might have to adjust it down a little bit and around. So bring this all the way around to make a teardrop shape. If you want it wider at the bottom, you just go a little past what you need and bend it back. And then at the top of the teardrop, we'll just bend that down. And then we're going to curve this one around again. You can go around slowly. We want it to curve inside the previous one. Just bring it around. Keep curving it around. If we had made the cat bigger, we might have just finished it at the end there, but we have some extra. So for the extra, you can clip it with your cutters, or you can hold it with the flat pliers and just wiggle it back and forth. And then that breaks it without ruining your cutters. You could pinch that in if you want it more centered. And there's your kitty. Open up an earring hook and stick the kitty on top. And there you have your super cute kitty earrings. Be sure to use surgical steel or silver for the hooks because you wouldn't want to stick a paper clip in your ear.